Good morning. Let us move to the next article. Next article is critical constants. Critical constants of a gas. We know that critical point is there for every gas. This is the point below which a gas can be liquefied by applying a pressure alone. The critical point has three state parameters: pressure, volume, temperature. The pressure at the critical point is known as critical pressure. The volume as a critical point is known as critical volume. The temperature at the critical point is known as critical temperature. PC, VC, TC. PC critical pressure, VC critical volume, TC critical temperature. Let us consider this Van der Waals gas equation. P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. This is further P plus A divided by V square is equal to RT divided by V minus B, or we may write this further as P is equal to RT divided by V minus B minus A divided by V square. Equation number 1, equation number 2. The Van der Waals equation for a gas, the Van der Waals equation of state of a gas can be written this way: P is equal to RT divided by V minus B minus P by V square. Come to critical constants. Why these are known as critical constants? PC, VC, TC are constant for a gas, different for different gases. PC, VC, TC are constants for a given gas. These are different for different gases, and therefore these are known as critical constants. If these are critical constants, if I vary PC with respect to VC, what will happen? I will come to dP by dV. And what should be dP by dV? dP by dV should be 0. Why it is 0? Because these are constants. This point is known as point of inflection. Remember, the point where dP by dV is equal to 0, the point where dP by dV is equal to 0 is known as point of inflection. The behavior of isothermal of any gas changes at critical point. The point where behavior changes, the point where the nature of the curve changes, that point is known as point of inflection. And therefore, where dp by dv is equal to 0, that point is known as point of inflection, and it is true for a critical point. Keeping these things in mind, let us differentiate equation 2 on both sides with respect to v to get dp by dv is equal to RT is a constant. Differentiation of 1 divided by v minus b. Differentiation of 1 divided by v minus b. What is differentiation of 1 by x with respect to x? Minus 1 by x square. So differentiation of 1 by v minus b with respect to v will be minus v minus b square minus a is constant. What is differentiation of v square 1 by v square with respect to v? Minus minus plus 2a divided by v cube. Equation number 3. dp by dv is equal to minus RT divided by v minus b bracket square plus 2a divided by v cube. But according to the point of inflection, dp by dv is 0. As dp by dv is 0, equation 3 can further be written as, let us write equation 3 further as 2a divided by vc cube is equal to RTC divided by vc minus b whole square. Equation number 4. As dp by dv is 0 at the critical point, at the point of inflection, this can be further written as 2a divided by vc cube is equal to, this is minus taken to other side, minus RTC divided by vc minus b bracket square. Then let us differentiate equation 3 further with respect to v to get d2p divided by dv square is equal to minus minus plus plus 2RT divided by v minus b cube. 2RT divided by v minus b cube. This is minus 6a divided by v to the power 4. Equation number 5. Differentiation of this with respect to v is this 2RT by v minus b whole cube. This v minus b whole square is taken upward. It will be to the power minus 2. Differentiate this. Minus RT is constant. Minus RT into minus 2. 2RT v minus b bracket to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 taken down will become plus 3. The same will be true with this, and we will get equation 5. But as dp by dv is 0, d2p by dv square is also 0. As this is 0 for the point of inflection, equation 5 may further be written as 6a divided by Vc to the power 4 is equal to 2RTC divided by Vc minus b bracket to the power 3, equation number 6. Let us divide equation 4 by equation 6. Let us divide equation 4 by equation 6. If we divide equation 4 by equation 6, let us see what we will get. 2a by Vc cube divided by 6a by Vc to the power 4, that is into Vc to the power 4 divided by 6a is equal to RTC divided by Vc minus b bracket square into Vc minus b bracket cube divided by 2RTC. Now, let us simplify this. This a get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, Vc cube get cancelled with this power 4, only Vc is left. Vc by 3 is left. Let us transfer this 3 to this side. Before that, this R get cancelled, this TC get cancelled, and this is equal to 3 divided by 2, this get cancelled with this cube. What left is Vc minus b, and so Vc is equal to 3 by 2 Vc minus 3 by 2 b. If this is taken to this side, this is taken to this side, it will be 3 by 2 Vc minus Vc, 1 by 2 Vc is equal to 3 by 2 b. This 2 get cancelled, and we got equation for first critical constant Vc is equal to 3b, equation number 7. We got the equation for first critical constant Vc, which is Vc is equal to 3 by 2, Vc is equal to 3b, 1 by 2 get cancelled. After finding value of Vc, let us try to find value of Pc and Tc. How to find value of Tc? We do one thing. If we substitute value of Vc as 3b here, let us see what will happen. Let us substitute Vc is equal to 3b in equation 4. If we substitute Vc is equal to 3b in equation 4, we may obtain, let us try this first. Mm, 2a divided by 27 b cube. For Vc we put 3b. Vc cube will be 27 b cube. That will be equal to RTC divided by this is 3b minus b square. This is further RTC divided by 3b minus b, 2b square is 4b square. And so keep this TC on this side, transfer this R divided by 4b square to this side to get TC is equal to 2a divided by 27b cube into 4b square divided by R. And that is what? Is it correct? R will come down, 4b square will go up, 2a divided by 27b cube. So it will be 8a divided by this b square get cancelled with this cube, 27 RB. So we got the value of second critical constant TC is equal to 8a divided by 27 RB, equation number 8. So in equation 7 we got value of one critical constant Vc is equal to 3b. In equation 8 we got the other critical constant Tc is equal to 8a divided by 27 RB. And now we want to get value of PC. To get value of PC, we shall write this P as PC, this T as TC, this V as VC, and let us substitute values of VC and TC. That will give us, let us do it here. 4 2 is 8, A, 27, B are correct. Let us do it here only. PC is equal to R into what is V? 3B. R divided by 3B minus B into TC. TC is 8A divided by 27 RB minus A divided by V square is VC square. VC square is 9B square. This is further. This R get cancelled. This will be 8A divided by 3B minus B, 2B into 27B minus A divided by 9B square. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This is 27B square. 4A divided by 27B square minus A divided by 9B square. And this is further. 9 4s are 30. 36 b square a minus 27 b square a, 9 4 the 36 b square a, 27 b square a divided by 27 into 9 into b to the power 4. 36 minus 27, it will be 9. So PC is equal to 9 b square a divided by 27 into 9 into b to the power 4. 9 get cancel, b square get cancel with the 4, square is left, and we have PC is equal to a divided by 27 b square, equation number 9. So by considering van der Waals equation of state for a gas and differentiating this on both sides after manipulation, differentiating it on both sides with respect to V and using the point of inflection to have dP by dV is equal to 0 and d2p by dv square is equal to 0, we got equations for the three critical constants. Vc is equal to 3b, Tc is equal to 8a divided by 27 Rb, Pc is equal to a divided by 27 b square. This is about critical constants of a gas. Critical constant of a gas are constants for the given gas, and these are different for different gases. So this is about critical constants. Thank you.